robotics, and I just thought maybe it would be a fun thing to do in my free time.
Pretty much my interest for coding, and one of my friends did it last year and he said it was pretty fun.
It was a little chaotic because we didn't really know what we were doing. We were just kind of rushing to do everything. And when we first got there, it was a little scary to see like all the other robots because they would just look like they were a lot better than ours.
Okay, so Robotics Club, we are creating a robot for the annual game. And this year's game, they have to be able to move these acorns underneath the net. And they have to be able to climb a pole at the end, and depending on the height they get will determine how many points they earn. So it's a competition between the members of our team and other schools, and you're trying to earn as many points as you can based on whatever the game is that year.
We decided this about 4 years ago, and we were thinking it would be a neat opportunity for kids who like science and math and building and competing. I think it teaches kids how to work together as a team and create a product, and they have to use their own critical thinking skills and everything they've learned in school to make things happen.
I would definitely like to see the program grow, which we've seen this year. There's a large group of 6th graders that are really invested in the Robotics Club, so I would definitely like to see that continuing to grow and more teams competing at the different competitions that we go to.
We need to learn how to use the general manual of how to build a robot and actually follow the directions and write down what they're doing throughout the entire process and divide the tasks up evenly so everybody's participating. I think that's what we need to work on this year.
We have Grady, who's programming the controller so the robot will actually work, and me and Bennett were working on making the claw bigger so it can like wrap around the tri-balls, which is the new thing that we got to pick up this year. And then we have 2 of our other members working on building the field. So currently I am working on building things, but I'm planning on programming the autonomous period, which is whenever you like can't touch the controller and the robot just runs on its own.
So as of now, I'm a builder and driver, and being a builder is interesting because I'm just gonna say that they didn't describe the manual in the best way possible. So it's fun figuring out how to build it. And then I'm also a driver, which I haven't gotten to do much of yet because we're not done necessarily coding the robots, but I have a feeling it'll be good.
I am the coder for the team, and basically what I do is I code the controller to make the robot move during the
The importance of keeping a journal is to show progress. So what did you start with, what did you change throughout the process, and then ultimately the goal is to design something that's going to successfully complete the game. So being able to show the judges, you know, what was your thought process, how did you all work together, you know, what changes you made. They were looking for a long-term process, not just your final result. It hasn't been solidified. We would like to go back to Licking Valley again this year just because they're a league school. But if not, we'll probably go to Mount Vernon or somewhere fairly close. But we don't have a specific date selected yet.
That sounds cool.
I'm not sure if we're using this.
But dude, it shows us right here. We had to help them. Okay.
Okay, so we need